y'all? How's it going? We're back at it again today. Today we got something a little different. We're going on another pheasant hunt. And a bunch of my coworkers decided they wanted to go again, so we're gonna go again. This time it's pretty awesome because my dad's going. So I get to go pheasant hunting with my dad for his first time. I'm super excited about it. Last time was so much fun. I suggest you go on a pheasant hunt if you never tried it before, because I'd never tried it before until the other day. So anyways, I'm like 15 minutes away. I'll see you when I get there. If you like this stuff, leave a like and a comment. I know it's annoying, but it really does help a lot. I love doing this. If you like to hunt, or you got any friends or family that like to hunt, this is something fun to do with them. This is definitely worth going and doing. And for the record, I had a lot of people ask where I went pheasant hunting at. It's called Show Me the Birds Hunting Resort in Baxter Springs, Kansas. Ooh, and we're back. We made it here. There's the crew. About to go in and check in. I think this is where you gotta hang your, if you shoot a kill deer or a meadowlark, you gotta hang it here and take a picture with it. That's their rules. It's awesome. I need one. Oh, you need that. All right, Mooch, how's it gonna go today?
I'm pretty much gonna shoot every bird.
You shoot all 100 of them?
Yeah.
You'll forget how to miss. So.
Yeah, exactly. I got it dialed in last time right at the end.
Got all the gear. L870. Never fails. Jennifer, how's it gonna go?
Huh?
How's it gonna go?
Well, how's what gonna go?
How many birds you gonna shoot? All 8?
One.
That's
my
it?
Goal is
Yeah,
one.
that's a low goal.
One.
You'll get plenty.
If I hit one, I'll be super proud. I mean, I feel like if I keep my standards low, you know, and then I do better than what I actually have my standards set for, you know, I'm going.
That's a win.
Her low standards when she married me, so I don't know how that's working out.
Baron, how's it gonna go?
That's always goes good for me. When you're the best, you're simply the best.
Simply the best. So here we go, following the guide and the dogs out to the field. It's a bad day to be a pheasant in the field, I know that.
I like to run strip by strip with as high as it's going to be. We're on a walk and kind of stay a little bit slow because there's hardly any wind, so it's going to be hard for the dogs to catch scent. So be ready for textbook. We're going to point, and I have a flusher. He goes in and flushes. We're going to start down here. We're just going to walk strip by strip, back and forth this direction. Take a break when needed, and finish it out. So,
Okay. Uh-oh.
down right here. Tucker.
Well, Tucker comes in like a bad bull in a china closet, doesn't he?
Right there, killer, killer, killer! That hurt. Yep.
Blew out feathers everywhere.
Right there, killer! Hey now. Right
Oh.
there, killer, killer, killer! I love it.
You ever do duck hunt any?
I do. Yeah, I've got a finished testing at the house.
Oh, nice.
Hey, here, kill him, kill him, kill him!
Oh, man.
Yep, here.
Oh, no, we dropped the ball on that. He is still going. I'm glad it's like a paper airplane.
Right here, behind it, kill it! Get him again, there you go. Hey, I've got a rooster ahead of me.
They'll all run and stuff, it's funny.
Right here, kill him!
Oh my gosh.
Here.
I just dropped a ball on that. He was clucking too, dang it.
Right there! There, kill him.
Oh man.
What's going on with us?
I don't know. I've missed several shots today. That's bad.
Well, when you shot that one,
I think I tried to wait for it to get a little away from me and then.
I had my safety off, and then I switched after you shot. I switched it back on safety.
Yeah.
Couldn't shoot.
Shoot, man, I missed the easy shot. Oh. Ryan blew that one. Lee. It just hopped up right in front of him. Out of nowhere. That's so funny. Ryan, when you shot that last one, it boosted it forward. Yeah.
Where is it, Tucker? Right there, kill it!
Goodness gracious.
Yep.
Oh my here.
We're down right
Uh-oh, we're here, Casey. Get ready.
Tucker. Right there, kill it!
Nice job.
I missed though.
I missed two. I didn't shoot, but I missed the other ones. I missed several shots now. All their dogs here are fantastic, but there's one dog that stole the show, and he's this golden retriever named Tucker. And when the other dogs, when they point on a bird, Tucker's only job is just to run through the bird and flush it up, and it's really comical. He's just like a bull in a china closet, and he knows his job and does it well. He does it right here. But we had a really fun time with Tucker all day.
Whoa!
Wait, wait, wait.
Go behind us, kill it! Keep going! It's it!
Holy cow! What in the world? No, Tucker knows what's up. Yeah.
There it goes! Kill it!
Oh, Tucker, he gets attacked the whole way here.
Right there! Kill him!
Nice.
Right here! I was fiddling all around. That might be a good one to mount.
Yeah, it's fumbling around for it. Oh, that is a beautiful one. That's so pretty.
Real pretty one.
Mm-hmm.
Good tail on him.
Good head. I like the cut, like the lightness on top of his head.
Right.
I might have to get. I'm sad to say it, but I might have to get more shells.
Well, we're coming to
I didn't do too hot today, y'all.
Get ready, left side. All right, kill it.
Oh, nice. Very nice. I told you this was fun, huh, Dad? Yeah, he's in his own world.
He's too busy shooting. Here, come on. That's a pretty one too.
Yeah, it is.
That's a pretty one.
That's a very pretty one.
Right here, kill it.
Did we shoot at the same time?
Again, yeah. Well, Tucker has a hard time getting the bird to you.
You ready? Right there. Keep going.
Oh, I got it on video.
Yep, here. I was hoping Frankie was going to kill him there.
Dad's all ducked down over there. I ain't shooting over there. Tucker, he really steals the show, doesn't he?
Oh, yeah. No,
I like him.
everyone loves Tucker.
Runs right through him. That's his like job.
He's trained like if you have one that's buried up,
Yeah,
he won't pick it up till it flies.
really? Oh, that one got me too, Ryan. Is he pointing? Oh no, we're good.
Right there. Tucker's got it right there, right
You
there.
good, you good. Nice.
Watch where he was sitting earlier. There might be another one there. Yeah, he's got one right there, cornered. Tucker, here. You ready? He's playing with it right there. Tucker, go sit there. It ain't flying up, is it? Be ready. I'm gonna let Ryan shoot it. Right there, kill!
Hear it clucking. Clunk, 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 clunk.
Where is it, Tuck?
Nice. Good job, Tucker. That's a pretty bird too, though.
You got every bird.
Yeah.
Right there. Keep circling it.
Shoot it, Casey, shoot it.
Jake, I've got a bird. Never mind. Where is it, Tucker? Right there.
Nice. I roasted that one. He cracks me up. His job is just to run up in the joint.
Yep.
Like a bull in a china closet.
You ready? Help him!
No!
I was afraid that one was going to go across the road too.
He said, help him.
Casey, she'll help the fella out. Frankie just walk.
Casey, did you get that one or is it Dad? Dad, did you get that or Casey? Are they pointing here? Hey, it's pointing. No.
He ain't flying up, is he? He's gonna fly right toward you, so I'll let back up.
There we go. Ryan got that one.
He got it, did he?
Very nice.
Your feet. There's probably one right there.
I seen a rat.
Tucker's acting birdie.
Oh, there it is.
There it is. Kill him, kill him.
You wasn't even ready.
There's another one.
Jake, watch the bird, watch the bird.
Help, here.
That pup's gone.
Well, that's all she wrote for the pheasant hunt. We're done. We're about to head back to the lodge, get the birds cleaned up, and then head home. Tomorrow's Valentine's Day, so I gotta get home and take my wife out for dinner. But we walked 4.3 miles and 9,200 steps. So, well, it's kind of hot today. It says 90 in my truck. I bet it's 85. It was really hot today. I'm all sweating and stuff. Never thought I'd be in Kansas bird hunting on February 13th and it would be sweating. But anyways, it's a blast. Absolute great time. Like I said, the place is called Show Me the Birds. Hit them up if you ever want to go pheasant hunting. It's in Baxter Springs, Kansas. If you're in Oklahoma, it's just across the Kansas line, not too far. It's a lot of fun. It's worth it. Bring your family, bring your dad, your brothers, whatever, whoever likes to hunt in your family. Bring them and have a good time. It's a good time. We like it. Anyways, gonna head back to the lodge, get our birds cleaned up, and get out of here.
That one's a real good one. Other right there.
Ryan's gonna take some and get them mounted. I'd like to too.
That one's pretty good. They should be able to fix that.
Yeah, that one's got a pretty head too. Big old red.
I'd say if you,
That one.
I'm gonna pull this one out because
What's up, y'all? We're in the kitchen right now. Just got done with the pheasant hunt. Just got back. Currently cleaning some breast. I got one completely breasted out right here. I'm cutting the breast off this other one here. I'm just gonna cook one breast tonight. This time I'm gonna do something just a little bit different. I'm grilling some chicken breast tonight for me and my wife, and so I'm just gonna throw just one of these pheasant breasts on the grill and see how it turns out. So we'll do a little taste test, see if it's better than the breaded and fried, which is basically just a chicken strip. And for those of you who don't know what I'm talking about, a couple of videos ago, I went pheasant hunting and cooked it, and I just like shallow fried that like a chicken strip. Just breaded them and cooked them in a fryer like I would a chicken strip. And honestly, it was fantastic, but it did taste just like a chicken strip. There was really no difference. So tonight, I'm gonna grill some, see how they turn out. I'm gonna hit it with a little pepper, granulated garlic, then a little Lowry's. I'm gonna temp probe them and see if they're ready. 35, 137, not quite ready yet. The other one's just about the same. That's perfect. Well, there it is. Grilled, and we're on the pit boss. I don't know if you call that grilled or smoked. Looks pretty freaking good to me. It's really good. There you go. Can't get it to focus in. We're gonna try it out. It's great. I mean, again, it just tastes like a chicken strip. There's just something I'm trying to get out of this pheasant, but I don't think it's gonna taste anything else like a chicken strip. Not that that's bad. It's actually really, really good. I mean, it's just really, really good, clean looking white meat. It just tastes like a chicken breast. I just got a BB. We made chicken breast tonight, so I have a piece of chicken breast right here and a piece of pheasant here, and I just actually mixed them up. I'm gonna try them side by side. I mean, that's not fair actually. The chicken breast is marinated, so that's actually great. Whole side note, that's good. They're very similar. The pheasant is almost just a little bit more like, almost like pork chop-ish, like a little bit more firm when you chew it. It's not in a negative way, it's absolutely like awesome. This is better than cooking them the chicken strip way for sure. But I think when I cook chicken strips, I just overdid it a little bit. This, I pulled it off right at 160, 165 area. I honestly think that might be maybe a little too much. Maybe pull it off at like 155, 158 next time, just to make sure. But all in all, it's awesome. I absolutely would recommend doing this, recommend cooking it that way. I for sure recommend going on a pheasant hunt. Like I said, the place I went was called Show Me Birds. It's in Baxter Springs, Kansas. It was really a lot of fun, great time. Everybody that went had a great time. Everybody shot lots of birds. I think we killed over 100 birds. There's like 17 of us, so we killed over 100 birds. It was a really, really fun trip. I definitely recommend eating pheasant and for sure smoking them and putting them on the pit boss. That's how I did it. So anyways, I'm gonna sit down and enjoy the rest of this meal. Hit like. Leave a comment if you're feeling crazy. I would really appreciate just a simple like. But anyways, my wife's almost home. We're gonna sit down and eat some of this together. I'm gonna try to get her to eat some pheasant, but she probably won't. She's not real big on wild game yet. Hey, come here. Try this.
Good.
Try this now. You just saw the camera, huh?
Yeah.
What do you think about it?
It's good.
It's really good. Hold on, try this one.
Which one is that bird?
You tell me which. That's what. Look at the camera. See, she's about to eat some wild game, and then she's not gonna know the difference.
Yeah.
You ate. I swear, you ate the the wild game, the pheasant. See. Now tell them they're both pretty good.
No, it has to be this because this is so dry compared to this.
No, it's not.
Yeah, it is. No, I can tell that this is a little bitty bird and you just...
You got it backwards, but try that. Tell me if you like it. Please try it. For the video,
No,
try
because
it.
I know that you're
You
like...
already ate the chicken. This does look similar, but it came from this little piece right here. You ate the pheasant first. The chicken's the
No,
dry
you
one.
didn't.
The chicken's the dry one. I don't want you to eat my pheasant. I want it, but I'm just telling you. See what I'm saying? It's good, huh?
I don't want to eat this.
Why don't you?
It makes my stomach hurt.
See you in the next one.